How to change account in YouTube using iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to change account in YouTube using your iPhone. Let's get started by opening YouTube. From the home screen, you have to open your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page, and then tap on your name. This should give you the following options: Add account, use YouTube signed up, and manage accounts on this device. If the account you want to use isn't logged in yet, you have to tap Add Account and then select Continue. From here, you have to enter the email address and the password you want to use in order for you to use it for YouTube. Once done, you should receive a confirmation at the bottom of the screen that you are now signed in with the new account you just entered. The process is pretty straightforward. After signing in with the account you want to use, you'll be automatically be on that account. But what if you want to change it again? Maybe you want to go back to the previous account. Just tap on the profile icon at the right top corner of the page again and select your name. On this page, you now have the option to switch between this existing account you're using now to any of the accounts under Other Accounts. All you have to do is tap on the specific account you'd like to use, and you'll be signed in automatically. That's how easy it is to switch from one account to another. In addition, just in case you'd like to add another account or maybe remove an account using this device, all you have to do is go back to the same place. This time you have to select Manage Accounts on this device. On this page, you have the option to either remove an account from this device or add another one if you have any more. So, were you able to change your YouTube account using your iPhone? If the answer is yes, please let us know in the comments, like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you next time!